Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Love you guys. Thanks for being here today. Today is day 15 in the Diane Antone Studios February 2025 Daily Watercolor Challenge, Every Day a Doodle. And today's prompt is raindrop patterns. Okay, yeah, I can read. Rainbows would be fun to draw though, wouldn't they? Raindrop patterns, scattered or symmetrical. So we've got options. I think I'm just going to play with it a little bit with some blues and whites. And Diane, she brought out some silver. So I brought out my kuratakes and I'm going to use the silver in here and maybe the sky blue. This sky blue here and something in this line right here, maybe. These blues. A little, maybe some of that. I don't know. Just want to maybe use this line of color. It's going to be kind of tricky to get all this on here to show you. I also brought out some pens for after my acrylic markers. Like this one's got like a metallic blue to it. They're okay. And they're a little old. And Creative Memories Precious Element Silver that I've had since the stars were formed, just a long time. So anyway, I think I'll just use my small 4 brush and get some water on here. And I need to prep my paints as well. And I could pull them out of the tray here. But, oh, and I need my cloth. Should always have my cloth ready. Something to dry off on. And when you're making a raindrop, it's just kind of that's a big one. Let's zoom it down. There we go. And let's get this light on too. There we go, a little better. Just kind of make a teardrop. That's all it is. And I would like to add some silver, so let me do a few more of this color. And get the silver. I also have gold. I think silver. We'll see how that affects it. Give it some iridescence. Because that would be just fun to have some shiny sparklies within. I'm not seeing much though. And how's that one? That's a little darker. And it says raindrop patterns, but it's not really a pattern. I mean, you can do whatever you want. Doing a little bit of color over here. I'm choosing going down the line of my color palette here. That's off camera. And these are really dark raindrops. They're not very watery, which is not the effect that I wanted, but here we are. Here we are. Okay, let's drag some of this silver into it. Okay, I don't know if you can see that or not, but there is an iridescence there. And I like all these watery colors, more blue, soft blue colors. Definitely cannot see it in the monitor. See, I want to kind of get a light dark kind of combo. Nah, just kind of making a mess now. All right. Little iridescence there. And I'm probably missing a few. I can see it on mine from my viewpoint, my perspective, the iridescence, the white, silver, I mean. Here, let me bring it up and see if you can also. You see the shimmer? There it is. See the shimmer. That's kind of fun. All right, so let that dry a little bit. While I'm letting it dry, I'm just gonna do some little lines with my silver pen. Because raindrops fall. So let's show them motion of falling. There, how's that? Just some more school wigglies. Yeah. And then my Acrylico, let's double check to make sure this is gonna work without squirting all over the place. Ooh, I'm thinking yes, pretty good. And let's just outline them as part of the doodle. Get a little more ink on the tip. Oop, that's a lot more. Oh well. Ooh, let's get my silver pen and do some highlights with that. Silver on silver. Can you see that even? That's pretty vague, just because it's already light colored. All right. There's my little raindrop patterns. Looks good enough for me, and I'm going to pull you back out so we can prep tomorrow's prompt blob for, let's see, first, well, let's cross off raindrops. And tomorrow is fern fronds. So fern fronds shall be what color? Let's see. There's going to be a lot of green. Let's see. Let me think. If I put, let me do this interesting green in the background, and then I'll just use other darker greens for the fronds. They're really pale green. Yeah. Okay. And I spilled my paint. Oops. My pen squirted out. I'll have to cover that up with some white maybe. All right, friends. Easy peasy, little bit raindrops. Maybe some dots. What about some dots? We're not done. I teased. Some dots as well, all over. Yeah, this is like heavy raindrops. It's a storm. All right, friends, that's it for this video. Go ahead and check out her challenge. It's been a lot of fun, and I'm learning a lot about technique, so that's always a plus. Take care, everyone. I love you guys, and God bless. Bye-bye.